y'all, today's video is a highly requested video by two of my girls. They wanted to know how I clean my ceramic cooktop. As we all know, Delana's fixing to be married on her own and she has one, and so she wanted this video for reference. And I thought it was a good idea, especially with all the holidays, with all the cooking, there's bound to be some spills, some messes. So I just wanted to share with you how I clean my ceramic cooktop and keep it looking new. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time. Please enjoy.
So these are the four things that you will need. First, you'll need this. It doesn't have to be this brand, but any kind of ceramic cooktop cleaner. I like this. Secondly, you will need this. Little paper towels. This will take quite a few. Razor. I got this at the Dollar Tree, I think it was. And it comes with spare razors in it, but as you can tell, mine is empty, so I need to get some replacements. Gonna need this. Very important. And finally, this. So, kind of disappointed in James tonight. He didn't do as bad as he normally does. I mean, it's messy, but trust me, it's been worse. But like right here, the grease, all that, it won't just wipe up. You have to really scrub. So that's why a razor's gonna come in handy. Okay, first, what we're gonna do, let there be light, is we're gonna take our cooktop cleaner and we're gonna squirt it on here. Then we're gonna take our paper towels. And this cleaner has a fine little grit in it. We're just gonna start wiping. And this will get anything that's, like there was some burnt on cheese. This will kind of get the top layer off. But where that grease was, that was kind of like cooked in, like I can see it right here. This is where our razor is gonna come in. So, all this. Okay. Then we're gonna take our razor, and where you see it, you're gonna lightly start scraping. You don't wanna dig. You wanna like hold it level with, like that. I'm saying? You don't wanna, because you don't wanna scratch your cooktop. And you may have to like go over it and over it and over it a couple of times, but I like to keep this, put some more my cleaner on it, and just keep scrubbing. You know, I got this cooktop thinking it was gonna be so easy to keep up, and they are for the most part, but you really have to clean them a certain way or they will get that, I don't know if you can look at this. See all that burnt on? That's what's coming, that's what's cooked on that's coming off. So I'll take some more, scrub over it. Like I said, I'm like keeping my razor, not digging into it. And you've seen that I've had to go over the same spot a couple times, but I like it to look clean and new, so that's what I do. And trust me, with James cooking, I get plenty of practice. Now, I'm gonna take another set of my paper towels. I'm gonna start wiping this up. And you can see it's dried, which is fine. To see all that, that was what was cooked on that we got off. And so, wipe all this off. This will allow you to see if you missed any spots that you might need to get all that off. Okay, now I'm gonna take my glass cleaner, spray it all over here, more paper towel. And clean all that off. Like I said, this wasn't the worst it's been. Probably should have waited till he did it worse. For the last thing, I take a towel and I just kind of like go over it and polish it up. And that, my friend, is how I clean my glass top and keep it looking new. Be right back. So as you can see, it's nice and clean. This is where all the grease, cooked on grease was. And over here, you see this right here? This is what happens when you get carried away with your razor. You scratch it, so you don't want that. All right. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.